Hello everyone, this is Betty from Korean Package. Many customers pay attention to the color difference when printing, and this is our offset printing machine. Today I would like to show you how we reduce the color difference when printing. Let's go. If you want your colors of the packaging is closer with your business colors, we recommend Pantone color. This Pantone colors printing booklet is same with the digital ones you see on the website. After printing on the paper, we will compare the colors with the Pantone color booklet. As you can see, our worker is compare the colors on the Pantone booklet with the paper. So we can make sure the colors is closer with customer needs. The second method, we will use this colors identities instruments. This is the samples of our customers. Firstly, we will use this machine to get the identities of the color. And then we can compare the data with the papers on the colors to make sure the colors is more exactly. The third one, we have professional color controller. Let's open the line and put the papers on the board. And we can compare the colors behind the line. And we have different colors of the lines to make sure the colors is same from different colors of the line. When we printing the colors in the printing machine, we'll use a computer to control the color. Like this is our colors management system. When we're printing, we will record the data into our system. So when our customers read orders from our company, we can use the data in the system. So the colors is same with the former orders. Our factory has professional printing instruments and colors control systems. Our Korean teams pay attention to any details of packaging. So follow us, we can share more details about packaging. Bye.